forearm balance or Pincha Mayurasana. For some of us, it's a little bit scary. It's definitely a challenging pose. This is going to be a really short intro, how to get friendly with this pose, how to set it up so that we can build confidence, so that we have good alignment, so that we can practice really safely towards this pose. A wall, a mat, a belt, and a block is all you'll need. When you're ready, we'll get right into it.
Begin this full body routine by warming up the shoulders. Cross the fingers in front of you, turn the palms out, and lift the arms high up overhead. Lengthen the sides of your torso up, then spread your arms. Bring the hands down, change the cross of the fingers, and reach up. This is Urdhva Varangulyasana. And bring the hands down. Reaching the arms up overhead, hold your elbows and pull the elbows up. Then spread the arms forward and down. Take the hands behind you and if possible, hold on to your elbows behind your back. Roll the shoulders back, then change the cross. Lift the chest and look straight ahead. And bring the hands down. For chair pose, stretch the arms high up overhead and bend your knees. As you sit into the pose, reach the arms up and back. If you can, take your upper arms behind your ears. Then coming back up, bend at the hips, reach forward and down to come into Uttanasana. Try and keep your legs straight and relax the head and upper back down. Then lengthen your spine forward and come onto all fours to prepare for a downward facing dog. Place the hands under the shoulders, toes under, lift your hips up and back. Draw the shoulders up away from your ears, lift the hips up and press the thighs back. Relax the head again. Take a few breaths in downward facing dog, keeping the arms and the legs straight. Then come to all fours. Now take a strap and make a loop in it. This loop will need to be as wide as your shoulders. Measure by placing your index fingers against your shoulder bones and make sure your loop is that wide. Then put it around your arms, above your elbows. Then bend your arms and see to it that your shoulders and your elbows line up and your fingertips point up towards the ceiling. Then for now, put the belt aside and take a block. The block eventually will go between your hands, as I'm showing, and you'll bring your elbows in using that belt. For now, put the block aside and put the belt around your arms. Now I'll show you this from the front, even though we're going to use a wall, just so you could see. So this is the basic position. Forearms are on the floor and the block is between the hands, index fingers touching the sides of the block. Now I'll show you this from the side. The forearms onto the floor and see to it that the forearm bones are parallel to each other and line up your shoulders over your elbows. So don't let them go in front or behind the shoulders. So your upper arm is perpendicular to the floor. Lift your knees and hips and walk in, lifting your head up. You can look at the block as you lift your head up. Then come down. You can practice that several times. When you're ready, take that block and place it directly against the wall and place your hands as you did before. Shoulders over the elbows, shoulders back away from the ears. Lift your knees and hips, walk in like you would going up into full arm balance. Straighten the legs, kick off of one foot and practice lifting and throwing one leg up. And then eventually take both legs up against the wall. Reach your heels high up the wall and shoulders up. Make sure you try and lift your head up as strongly as you can and lift the shoulders up. Come down one leg at a time and remove the belt from your arms. Now come to child pose to rest your arms, your back, and your shoulders. Forearm stand is a challenging pose. If you didn't make it there today, work on the prep and the poses before. Then you'll build the shoulder mobility and the courage to one day get into the full pose. Thanks for joining me. Namaste.